What it do? Welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. If this is your first time here, don't let it be your last time here, okay? And how do you do that? You do that by subscribing to my channel, the Veganlicious channel. Click the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I post a new video, okay? It's that simple. So today in the Veganlicious kitchen, we're gonna be making some jerk tacos, okay? We're gonna make those things spicy. We're gonna add some Allen herbs to this taco, okay? So let's grab the ingredients and let's get started. I grabbed all the ingredients, so let me show you what you're gonna need to make this Allen spicy taco. So, first ingredient, you're gonna need walnuts. You're gonna need some baby Bella mushrooms. You're gonna need some jerk seasoning, of course. Then we're gonna add some garlic. We're gonna add some little bit of cinnamon. We're gonna add some coriander. We're gonna add some onion powder. You see that? Onion powder. We got the smoked paprika. We have liquid smoke. And we have some ground turmeric. Cumin. Can y'all see that? It says cumin. We got the pink salt. We have the grapeseed oil. We're going to add a plantain in here. Avocado. And here's the limes. Okay, so that's everything you're going to need. Yes, there's a lot of seasonings, but this is going to taste amazing. Okay, so I'm going to cut up I'm going to have to cut the mushrooms because they're already cut, but I'm going to get this together, grab my pots and pans, and show you how to prepare this tasty jerk taco. Okay, so let's go. So I'm back. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to place my walnuts and my baby Bella mushroom into my food processor, Ninja, okay? And we're going to crush that up, chop it up. So it's going to give us the texture of ground, it's not meat, but it's going to taste like ground, vegetables. But we're going to make it taste delicious, okay? So I'm going to do that first. So I'm going to pour in about a cup of walnuts, okay? Cup of walnuts. Okay. Walnuts are brain food, okay? Go for that up here. You don't eat fish for the brain. You don't need fish for the brain, okay? So let me pan down. So I placed the mushrooms and the walnuts in the food processor. So now I'm going to go chop it up. Be right back. Okay, so we're going to add in onions. We heat up the oil. Onions go in. Peppers go in. Garlic is going to go in too. Forgot to tell y'all. And I forgot to tell y'all about the onions and peppers too. Yeah, we added that to the recipe. Gonna add some minced garlic in here and let that caramelize, okay? Right there. Once that gets hot, okay, so let's remove the lid. Oh, I was saying my pasta really smashed up the walnuts and the mushrooms. It's like mush now. I usually like it when it's like a little texture to it where it's looking like ground meat, but it's not looking like that now. But I'm adding a tablespoon and a half of jerk sauce to the mixture here, okay? So we're gonna mix that up. going to get the seasonings, the other seasonings, put them all in here. That's the ones I mentioned earlier today. Put them all in a pot. Put like 1 tablespoon of each seasoning. Put a teaspoon of the cumin and the turmeric and the cinnamon into your pan, okay? Now I added all the ingredients in there except the liquid smoke, which I'm trying to get open now. And then I'm going to throw in the walnuts and the mushrooms, okay? And then we're going to let that cook down. It's smelling great in here from all the seasonings combined together. So I'm going to add some liquid smoke. God damn it, they got so many safety precautions on the bottle for the liquid smoke. Okay, I'm back. Now everything is prepared. Let me pan down so you can see this delicious jerk taco that I made. It's spicy and sweet, okay? It's spicy and sweet because I added some sweet potatoes in there. Then I have the sweet plantains. And then I'm going to put some avocado on top of that thing. But I'm also going to put some lime juice on it. So let me cut the lime and squeeze it. I cut the lime wrong, but okay. We're going to squeeze the lime juice. Now we're going to add a plantain. And we're going to add the avocado. And we're going to see how that thing tastes, okay? Here it is. It's looking delicious. So let me pick up the taco. There's a lot in it. So I'm trying to grab it without it falling apart. There's the taco. And let's go ahead and see how it tastes.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Nice. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
That's delicious. So, it's a little spicy, it's a little bit sweet. The spicy comes from the jerk seasoning, and the sweet comes from the sweet potatoes and the plantains. But my plantain is not so sweet. I keep picking the wrong plantains. I don't know what that's about, but it definitely tastes good. So, if you're interested in making this recipe, go ahead and follow the video. And if you're interested in making any other my other recipes that I have on this channel, look through the Veganlicious channel, and there's plenty more great, delicious, simple recipes that you can make, okay? Now, go down to the description box, and I have a Veganlicious ebook that you can purchase, okay? And if you're not interested in purchasing my ebook, you can give me a tip or buy me a matcha, okay? All the blessings will come back tenfold, okay? So, thanks for watching, and enjoy your day, but don't just enjoy your day. You already know. Enjoy life. Iluvo. And I'm out. Okay.